Hello everyone, this is a BHSD 228 tech tutorial. Are you having a problem finding your Google Meet link and you know your teacher created one? Well, I'm going to show you how to find it in an easy way. Basically, one of the easy ways you can check and see if your teacher has made a Google Meet link is just to refresh your page. For example, I have a demonstration class right here, and I know my teacher has created a Google Meet link because she said so in the stream. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to um, refresh my page. The way I do that is I take the banner with my fingers and I pull it down till I see the arrow, the curved arrow there. That means refresh, and I refresh it, and then lo and behold, to the upper right hand side of the screen, you see the Google Meet link. Okay, and when you press that, that will take you directly to the Google Meet session that your teacher is hosting for your class that day. And if you press it, that would be where you would go and you'll have your class. So that is one easy way that you can use to find your Google Meet link for your class. So if you don't see it right away, try refreshing your stream screen. Try to say that 3 times fast. This has been another BHSD 228 tech tutorial. The tongue twister is free. Have a good day.